This is going to be a no-sew project. So if you guys see these 3 rings in this fabric, I am going to make a 2-piece. It's going to be a long split maxi with the ring on the side and the 2 rings at the top. This piece, what you see right here, guys, this is going to be the breast piece. This part is going to be the skirt, and then I'm going to take the size of this and utilize it to make it the scrap. So let me sit it down and we're going to get started. So this is going to be a no-sew. We're going to use, actually, we're going to use the hot glue gun to put this together. So this is going to be a no-sew project. So I'm cutting the width of the maxi. Cutting it, and then I'm going to cut out the 2 chest pieces. Now, guys, remember, the bigger your chest, the bigger you're going to cut this. The smaller you cut it. So since I got really big boobs, I'm making my triangle piece pretty big. So that's how you determine like the boob size. And then once we get up here where the rings is going to go, I start cutting it smaller. So the same thing. And then give yourself a 1-inch seam allowance to fold it over. You want to be able to fold it over. So cut right here. And then we need to open it up at the bottom. So this is going to be the chest piece. So this piece right here, guys, for each chest piece. So this is going to be one side and that's going to be the other side. So now I'm going to cut the maxi part. And then we're going to get this baby started. So we're going to cut the maxi part. Oh man, I should have used that for my, I'm talking out loud, guys. I was thinking it's the raw edge of this. I should have used that because that's the part that I want to take all the way around. And I was supposed to cut it from there, but now I just have to utilize another piece because I was going to use the salvage end to be my waistband going around the waist, so I can use it from here. So what I'm talking about is the part that's going to go around the boobs and tie in the back. Or I wonder if I want to use elastic. I might use elastic, but this is the piece right here, guys, where I was talking about like taking it and putting it around here, then tie it off in the back. Okay, so now that I have that, now that I have this, I got to cut. So this is this piece, guys. This the skirt part that is going to go around. And it's pretty much going to stop right about there, like that. So the ring is going to go, so it's going to pretty much stop right there, and the leg is going to be out. So I thought I had plugged up my heat gun, but unfortunately I didn't. So let me get my heat gun plugged up. So guys, this is the part where the elastic is going to be fed through. So I'm going to stop it, guys, and once the heat gun catch up, then I bring it back. I don't want to waste precious time, so I'm going to stop it. And once I get the heat gun where it needs to be, then I'm going to fire this video back up and bring y'all back live. Okay. Guys, so we're back at it live. So if you guys can see, I fold this over. So now what I'm doing, guys, I'm going to have to sit the thing over there on the tripod. Just give you an idea. I'm taking a hot glue and putting it in between here and sandwiching it down. So it's a pretty simple process. Let me try to put it back over here, and just want to give you guys a lot closer view. So now what you guys see me doing is that I am just taking a hot glue and sandwiching it in between the top of the waistband while I folded it down. And this is the piece where I'm going to feed the elastic through. So I just got it folded down. because my elastic is going to feed through here. This is the part. So where the waistband is. So I'm folding it over so I can get the elastic to go through there. And guys, this hot glue gun is very hot. So you got to be very, very, very careful not to burn yourself. So this part, you just, where the elastic is going to feed through, guys, you just keep gluing down. I'm trying to get my glue gun to get all the way down here. And be careful not to burn yourself. Because this, that's one thing I will say. This hot glue gun, whew, it is extremely hot. So I'm getting closer to the end. And press on it, guys, once you get it. But try not to burn yourself because it is hot. Like, oh, I did this a while ago and I'm touching it. It's still hot. Like, the heat stays. So, I'm down at the end of it. Gonna press that down. So, this is the top of the skirt. And, ooh, it's hot. Okay, so now we got that part out of the way. The next thing is I measure my elastic for going around the waist. So you take the elastic and you measure it, okay? And I made it a little bit bigger because, mind you, the rings got a hook in here and then pull it open. So it's going to be submerged open by the rings. So I just want to get all that out of the way. Woo, it's still hot, guys. So after that part, we're going to take the safety pin. And what we're going to do, where are my rings at? Okay, there they go. Now I'm going to take the safety pin, guys. Let me sit down. Uh-oh. I'm going to take the safety pin and I'm finna feed the safety pin through. If you guys can see, I'm taking the safety pin through the waistband part that I made. And I'm finna feed it through to get it all the way out on the other side. You know what? I'm going to stop it because I don't like to take up a lot of time, guys. So I'm stopping it and I'm going to come back once I get it all the way through with the next step because it makes the video way longer than it have to be. Y'all kind of know what I'm saying. I'm actually feeding the elastic through. So I'm going to stop it, and when I come back, I'll be gluing the rings on. All right. Hey guys, so if you guys see the next step, now that I done put the elastic through, threaded it through with the safety pin, the next thing is go back and measure the skirt around your waist and say, okay, how much of a gap of your leg do you want out? So you can say, I want this much, I want that much. So you would determine that. So if I say I want this much, okay. All right, so now determine how much of my leg that I wanted out. The next step is we're going to take the ring. You guys see the ring? We're going to take the ring and we're going to connect it. So I'm going to take the ring and connect it. So be careful not to burn yourself, guys. Because this is the most, this is real dangerous. So I'm connecting the ring and I got a little ooze. Try to clean that up. And guys, when you're using glue, get a really good, when you use the fabric glue, get a good fabric glue. Get a glue that says it's for fabrics, because some of this glue, hot glue, is like really cheap. And it's not good for clothes, and you don't want to be somewhere and your skirt coming loose. So that's one ring on that side. Now we're going to take the ring on the other side. Okay, so this is the ring on the other side. So now we're going to glue this down, guys. And then I'm going to show you guys the next step on the shirt. But the reason why I'm kind of speeding it up, because the longer the videos, oh my gosh, it takes so much time to download it. Like if I do a 10-20 minute video, gosh, the download time is ridiculous. Like it might take up to 2 hours, 3 hours sometimes. So I'll be hating that long time frame just to download a video. You know, I'd be wanting to get the video up and, you know, maybe 10 minutes for a download. But these downloads be ridiculous. I'm like, wow. Shoot, download take forever and a day. So, woo! Jesus, see? It's hot. And on that ring is even hotter. I'm sorry, guys, to holler like that, but that was painful. Yeah, that was painful. I'm sorry. Didn't mean to holler like that, but, that hurt it. Okay, so now that I got this, if you guys can see, the skirt with the ring on it on the side. Okay, so I'm gonna move this out of the way and kind of let this dry a little. Probably what I would like to do is take, to make sure it's secure, clothespins where you put it together. Take some clothespins and clamp this down just to reassure that it's on there really good, like to secure it. And I hate that I touched that because it turned it white. But put some clothespins or something on there to make it reassure that it's on there. So now I'm gonna go to the top, guys, and I'm gonna stop the video and go again. I just want to show you guys the quick way, and then I'll come back once it's done. So now, guys, with the top, I want you guys to take the glue and just you're doing a 1 inch, bringing it over and folding it over so that it don't have that raw edge. So that's what we're doing. We're taking it with the hot glue, folding it over so it don't have that raw edge. And I want you guys to go all the way around the bottom. And then when I come back with this, I'm going to be ready to insert the rings. All right. Okay, guys. Some people say they like the meat and potatoes of the video. They don't like the videos when they all long out. So if you guys can see, I fold it over. I put elastic up here around the neck, the ring. And you guys see, again, I fold it over, put the elastic around, and then I took the bottom and drew it through using a safety pin. So now I'm just going to close this ring off with the hot glue. And then the outfit is complete, guys. It'll be complete. So yes, guys, this will be the easy no-sew DIY maxi dress. So I'm gonna stop the video. In the last video, I'm gonna just have it on for you guys. All right, I'm just gonna put the ring. Let me go ahead and put it. Okay, and then you take it, fold it over, boom, like that. Woo! This hot glue, I tell you, it definitely ain't nothing to play with. And try not to put so much, because when you squeeze it, it's going to come out and it's going to be painful. So, if you see, I'm just pressing it. After I hook the ring on, put the pressure on it. When you hook the ring on, if you guys see the ring, it goes up around the neck like this, guys. and then it's gonna tie, but I gotta be careful because if this burn my neck, ooh, Lord. Okay, so if you guys see the rings up around the neck, and then this, I got it on backwards. What do I got going on? Okay, like that. Okay, guys, the next video I have it on for you guys. Hey guys, this is the final result of that outfit, and this is a no-sew project. I will say I am feeling a little insecure about having, oh my God, this much of my hip out. It's almost like your buttocks is out. So probably what I'm going to do to make it feel more comfortable for me, I'm going to have to take it in some, kind of sort of like that for me. But other than that, I think that it is beautiful. But yeah, that's like, woo! And that's how it's made on the model. If you guys look at the model, that's exactly how it's made. And the ring gives it that separation, but I don't feel secure when that much of my thigh out. Or I will put on some booty short panties and cover it up. But I just wanted to show you guys the original without me tweaking it or doing anything to it. But this is that no-sew project, guys, and no, I would not wear this with this much of my body part out. I would definitely I will have to take it in, and I don't know how I can do it with the ring. I might have to cut the ring loose and get rid of the ring, because the way the ring is made, if you guys see, that's how it's made. So I might have to totally get rid of the ring in order for to take it in some, because when you look at it, you do this, that don't look right. If I try to just go up under there and pinch some of that clothes, I can try to see. But thank you guys for watching. This is that no-sew project, so you guys try it. Get the rings and the glue and try this at home, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. Bye bye.